All right, everyone, here we are at 2631 Olive Avenue here in Patterson, California. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, modular home here. This property comes with a big shop in there. We'll go check that out here in a second. Let's go check out the inside. Actually, let's go check out this backyard here while we have the gate open here. So this is kind of a livestock animal-ish kind of property here. You got this awning way, which is pretty cool, especially in the summer. You know, you can cool off over there. We'll go and check out these kennels. There's 3 different kennels out here. There's one back in there. There's this one here. And then when you go to this side of the yard, there's a third and fourth one over here. Kind of go all the way back in there, which is pretty nice, especially if you have small animals, sheep, chickens, dogs, whatever you want there. Nice deck out here in the front. A lot of shade if you want to get away from the sun. This house is perfect for you. It's got a lot of areas to be shaded. So let's go check it out in here. Right when you walk in, this is the laundry dryer, washer dryer setup here. You got this right to my left. This is the kitchen. It comes with the refrigerator here. And we'll check that out. It's got the dining area right here. Brand new blinds were put up in here. Let's go check out these bedrooms back in here. Right here to my left, this is the first bathroom. Right? Got the bathroom there. That's pretty nice there. Check that out. This is one of the bedrooms. The closets, brand new blinds in here. You know, the desk may come with or without. Owner's saying that is for discretion. This is the second room here. Pretty much the same as the other, just kind of flip-flopped. Same closet size and everything. All right, back out here, you can kind of see how open it is. And look at this room right here. Living room. I love this flooring. It looks so nice. Open. Everything here pretty much connects to each other. Back in here, this is the master bedroom. Different flooring, but it's pretty cool still. Pretty nice, the wood here. There's a walk-in. All right, and then there's the master bathroom. You got the sink, you got the shower and the tub with the toilet right here. And you got the storage in there. Obviously, all that stuff's gonna be gone here shortly once we get a tenant in here. Yeah, this is out here in Patterson, out here in the country. Come check it out. And then we'll go check out the shed real quick. Lots of area. Lots of area. Come check this place out. All right, go back in here. And then this is the shed. Nice area. So, if you're interested in this property, you can find this on our website, newbridgemanagement.com. And then come click on this and apply now. Or if you want to give us a call, 209-668-6700. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.